What if Emperor Justinian had fled Constantinople during the Nika riots in 532 AD instead of staying to fight? 30,000 angry citizens were demanding his abdication, ready to tear him apart. His advisors begged him to escape while he still could. If he had listened, the rioters would have immediately crowned Hypatius as the new emperor. But this single act of cowardice would have changed everything. No, Hagia Sophia would have been built, robbing the world of architectural genius. The Western Roman Empire would never have been reconquered. Most importantly, the Justinian Code would never have existed. This legal foundation shaped every European court system for centuries. When Islamic armies expanded westward, they would have faced no Byzantine resistance. Christianity would have developed completely differently without Constantinople's influence. Medieval Europe would have been unrecognizable. One moment of fear would have prevented the Byzantine Golden Age and altered civilization itself.